You all must have visited a hospital once in your lifetime, and if you have noticed, you might realize that a lot of green or blue color is used in the hospital setting, especially in the operation theatre. You most probably might have seen that operation theatre have almost all the people wearing green or blue colored scrubs or gown. And this color code is followed in almost all the operation theatres in the world. Ever wondered why this color code is followed? And most importantly, why only green or blue? Why not some other color? To answer this, let's begin from the start. In the very beginning, the clothes worn by the surgeon and the staff in operating room was white in color, which depicted cleanliness. But as you may know, whites are reflective of light and thus trains the eyes easily if you watch it continuously. A surgeon thus changed the operating room clothes to green to make it comforting to the eyes. Green color is considered to be very calming and soothing color for the eyes. Another reason why the clothes in OT are green is because it is the exact opposite of red in the color wheel, which means that red can be easily distinguished from the green. A surgeon in the operating room deals with a lot of red color, especially with the blood and all the organs, which are all shades of red. On top of that, the surgeon has to strain their eyes to see clearly the deeper structure of the body and have to place close attention while operating. This can disturb their vision of the red color. They may see a distorted light when they look up after a long time. To prevent this distortion of the red light and to relieve the eyes from seeing red for some time, the exact opposite color of red, that is green, is worn in the operation theatre. Also, the blood which spills on the green clothes look more brown than red, unlike when it spills onto the white color. So this is why the operating theatre have a lot of green and blue colored clothes. For more such videos, kindly like and subscribe my channel.